Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft OneNote. In this module, I want to quickly show you a few wild features that you have in OneNote that you might not expect to see. The first one is OneNote has a calculator feature. So whenever you type a sum on OneNote or in OneNote, you can get it to automatically add that up for you. So for example, if I type 2 plus 4 equals, for me to get OneNote to just give me the sum of 6, I just need to press my spacebar and then it automatically calculates it for me. It's a bit like the old file of facts that used to walk around with. That used to have a calculator at the bottom, so you could use that. So 3 divided by 1 equals 3. 33 times 10 equals space, so on. So that's the calculator feature. Straightforward enough. Now, if I just get rid of these, delete them off on that one. The other feature it's got is a maths assistant, which is quite useful if you're doing maths at school. You can do stuff like this. If I go 2 plus y equals 10, now I want to know what y is. So if I just highlight that for a minute, I'm on the insert tab at the top there, look. If I go over to the right hand side and click on maths assistant, what it will do, it'll load up that and basically give you the option to solve y. If I click on that, so it's telling me y must, if that's the equation, y must be 8. What else you can do, another little tip that you might not be aware of. So when you add a page, if I put test up there, you create a page. That's a page in this section which I haven't named, and I'll just call that examples for want of a better name. If I wanted to create a page, I can just go add page, but you can also use square brackets. So if I do a square bracket and just type test with 2 square brackets, it creates that page and it also creates a hyperlink to that page like that. And if I do that on here, if the page already exists like test does, top page called this same thing, I've called it test twice. So let's just do another one. I'll do another one, call it product or something, or project. That'll do. So it's created a page called project. If I come back, and on there, if I just put test in there, 2 square brackets, and test 2 square brackets, if it already exists, that just doesn't create a page, but it gives me a hyperlink to it. I can go onto that. That's separated but case sensitive, I think. So that's just another little tip. So you've got a calculator where you can go 2 plus 2 equals a spacebar, works it out. You've got the maths assistant where you can go 3 plus y equals 7, and then you want to evaluate. Get that off. You so just highlight that. You want to evaluate that, maths assistant. So it loads it up, solve for y, and then you get y equals 4 in that example. And then the last thing was square brackets, training, square brackets. If it doesn't exist, it creates it. If it does exist, it just creates a hyperlink to it. So that's all I want to talk in that little video. Some of the more obscure features that you get in OneNote. So hopefully it's been of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.